everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut. As a mom, I always like to add some name stickers or personalized labels to my baby's things. I like to see her name here and there in her room. Today I used the Cricut Explore 3 to make some name stickers and labels for her bottle, jar, and vase. This is a very easy way to add some personal touch to the everyday stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Cricut Explore 3 for this easy craft project. This beautiful machine in front of me is the new Cricut Explore 3. This is a full-featured smart cutting machine by Cricut. It's very lightweight but very powerful. It works with over 100 different types of materials and 6 different blades. This machine is so powerful. This is great for all the DIY projects that I want to do at home. I actually used the older version before, the Cricut Explore Air 2. It was a great machine, but this one, the new generation Explore 3, is even more powerful with the new features, accessories, and materials. Oh my god, this machine totally elevated the cutting experience. I really love it. I'm going to show you the machine first. First of all, when you place your machine, you want to make sure you have enough space behind the machine, because when you do the cutting, the material goes this way and it comes out from behind. To start using it, you want to plug in first. Now it's ready, and here is the open button. Just press it. It opens slowly and elegantly. I like that. And also here on this side, you have 4 buttons to control the machine. It's very straightforward. You have power, load, start, and a pause. On the left side, you have 2 slots for your accessories and tools. I usually put my tools here. 2 flat organizers for your accessories and tools. It's very convenient. I like this design. In the middle is the cutting unit. You have 2 slots, A for pen, for drawing, and B is for blades. And this one, it comes with the machine. This is the fine point blade. It's very capable. It works with a lot of different materials. Also, one nice detail I want to mention. Here you have this slot. It holds your smart devices. And this is the roll holder for Explore 3. You just place your roll holder here and place your smart material rolls in its place. This roll holder can easily guide your material to go in here. And here's a trimmer. When you're done, you can use this to trim your material. For small materials, you don't need a roll holder. You can work with the machine without it, but this is actually very helpful. It helps you to align your material easily. For your design, you can use Cricut Design Space app on your smart devices, Android and iOS, as well as your computers, PC or Mac. It's very easy to navigate using the existing project or design your own. You can also subscribe to Cricut Access for more materials, designs, and projects. For today's project, I'll be using 2 different types of materials. They're both smart vinyls, but this one is permanent and this one is removable. Now it's very easy to pick your material for the project because there is guide. On the package, you can just see if this material is good for your project. For a waterproof finish, I'll be using the permanent vinyl, like for the milk bottle here, because I'll be washing it. And these 2 are more like dry items. I will use the removable vinyl because it gives me more flexibility. Maybe later on I'll change the fonts or change the label, and I can do it with the removable ones. You already have some ideas about the machine and materials for today's project. Now let's get started. Open the machine with the same steps. Press open and place the roll holder. And then open your Cricut Design Space, select your project, and then press make it when you're ready. And then select load type without matte for smart materials. And then press continue to select your material. Here you can select smart vinyl. We're going to use removable, so smart vinyl removable. Here's the material. We're going to do the green one for the vase. Place the material on the holder and load the material. After I press the button, the load button, the machine is measuring the material length automatically. I like this feature. It's very smart and makes sure that you have enough material for this cut. And press start. And it start cutting immediately. It's really fast, really efficient, and it works quietly. For a small job like this, it takes less than a minute. The speed is really impressive. It doubles the speed of Explorer 2. Now it's done. Press unload and trim your material so that you have the cut. Let's check the work. It's really precise, but still got this handmade touch. I like how it turns out. And then use a transfer sheet to move the sticker. I use a weeder to accurately remove the unwanted material of the cut. The Cricut basic tools are really helpful. And then stick the transfer sheet onto the cut. You want to make sure it's fully attached to the transfer sheet. You can use a scraper to make sure there is no bubble or wrinkle in between. This step is really important. It makes sure that your final work, the sticker, looks perfect on the surface. Now I think it's ready. I remove the white sheet. You can see this Luna sticker is super cute, and let's place it on the vase. Just carefully check if it's straightened before you place the sticker, and then place it. Use a scraper to make sure the sticker is fully attached to the surface, and then remove the transfer sheet. This is so satisfying. The sticker looks perfect. The green color looks perfect for this vase. It matches the leaves. It's so beautiful. Up next, let's do this formula jar, and I'll put a baby food sticker onto this jar. Press Make It. Load type is without mat for smart materials. Continue. And here is time for you to load material. Use the roll holder and carefully insert the material. Now it's ready. And then select Smart Vinyl Removable. And then press load on the machine. It automatically checks the length of your material to make sure you have enough material for the cut. When this step is done, press start. Just follow the steps on the Cricut Design Space app. Everything is just very straightforward, very easy. Now we have more letters in this cut, so it takes like a little bit longer, but still it's super efficient and very fast. Explore 3 can definitely finish this cut in less than a minute. When it's completed, press unload to release the material, and then trim the material using the trimmer on the roll holder. This is ready to be placed on the transfer sheet and attached to the jar. Let's do the same for the placement. Remove unwanted material on the sticker using a weeder. Now you can see the final cut. These are the wanted material. And then use a transfer sheet. Attach the clear side of the transfer sheet using a scraper to make sure there is no air in between. And then remove the clear sheet with the cut from the white sheet, carefully using a weeder. And then place the sticker onto the jar. Align the sticker and use a scraper to make sure it's fully attached. When this is done, just remove the clear sheet. Carefully and slowly make sure the sticker attaches to the jar. Such a cute jar for Luna's formula. The last cut, we will use Smart Vinyl Permanent for a waterproof finish on the baby bottle. Let's do the same. Open your Cricut Design Space and pull out your design. Press Make It. Select your load type and material type. Load your material and start cutting. Now we have the cut. Use a transfer sheet to transfer the cut onto the surface. Align a sticker on the milk bottle. The material is vinyl permanent, so you don't want to make a mistake. You want to work slowly and make sure it's aligned. This is so fun. I really like to have Luna's name on her bottles, and I'll do the same for all her bottles. So we labeled 3 things for Luna today. I'm so happy with everything. Okay, so this is everything for today's Cricut project. I already showed you how I make these name stickers and labels with Cricut Explore 3. This is actually the easiest way to make DIY projects. With Explore 3, you can definitely try other materials for different projects like smart vinyl shimmer, paper sticker, cardstock, or smart iron-on. So many different options. With Cricut Explore 3, you can definitely try different materials like smart paper sticker cardstock, smart iron-on, smart vinyl shimmer, so many different options. If you're interested in trying your own craft projects, you can find the Cricut product information in the description. You can start from there. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Use the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!